In this example, I have secant square theta times 1 minus cosine square theta be equal to tangent square theta. I start from the left hand side. So secant is the inverse of cosine, 1 over cosine squared, and here I will have 1 minus cosine square theta. So now I will multiply it by each side, so it will be 1 over cosine square theta minus cosine square theta divided by cosine square theta. So it will be 1 over cosine square theta minus 1. So far so good. I need to have it like that. And what else I can do? I can have the if I go back again, so it was too early to simplify it, so I have cosine square theta here, so I will have 1 minus cosine square theta. So 1 minus cosine square theta will be sine square theta divided by cosine square theta. So sine over cosine is tangent, so it will be tangent square theta. So now it's proven. So as you see here, we always need to keep an eye on the other side of the equation to go to the right direction. So here, as you saw, I was writing something else which was correct, but it was not going toward the final answer. The final answer here is tan square theta.